is making all possible efforts to increase COVID beds in the national capital, and as part of that entire initiative, now this Commonwealth Games Stadium near Akshardham Temple, that has now been turned into a COVID care center which has about 600 beds. I have with me the president of the organization Doctors for You, which is an NGO that has collaborated with the Delhi government. They will be taking all possible care of all of the patients here, and they will be running the operations here. So thank you for joining us here. So we'd like to know from you, and if you could just take us through how the arrangements have been made and what all kind of medical equipments will be available here.
Yeah, so where we're standing right now is basically a male ward that we have created. So there will be approximately 300 beds which will be here, and as you can see that there are multiple cabins that have been created. Each bed has been provided with a chair. For every bed, a bell has been provided, so that if he has any problem, that the same will be gone to the service to the sister station. So multiple sister stations and doctor stations have been provided, and all beds have been converted or have been under the monitoring of the CCTV. The plan is that a big hospital in this district is Lal Bahadur Shastri Hospital. So that would be a hospital that will be attached. The facility for the oxygen would be available over here. Apart from that, we have also created a separate part with to handle some more severe cases. But if we feel that this patient needs an invasive ventilation, then he will be shifted to the tertiary care hospital. Like there is a provision of an ambulance that would be here for every 100 patients.
Right now where we are standing, this is the male ward which has about 300 beds placed over here. A female ward will have another 300 beds, so a total of 600 beds. And any severe symptom patients, if the intensity suddenly increases, there will be equipments like oxygen cylinders and oxygen concentrators to handle those patients. But if anybody needs to be shifted to the ICU, then they will be taken to the LNJP hospital. In New Delhi with camera person Gopal Singh, this is Sukirti Dwivedi for NDTV.